Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters vcode of Vit-Ap University. So we'll take a look at a Python topic today. It is tuples. Tuples, it is kind of important topic and it is useful in in your placements and placement exams. It is also like you can also find questions on tuples on gigs or code forces, etc. There are many platforms. I won't vouch for particular platform. Let's just begin. So, what is a tuple? Tuple, we all know about arrays. We all know about lists. So, arrays, we can modify the data in arrays. But tuples are something when we have a sensitive data, which we do not want to change. We do not want like it gets changed or it gets modified by any bit. So, tuples come into the. So, how to use it? Well, in Python, tuples are very easy. Way too easy. So for doing it, let's say I'm getting a tuple. Let's say it is called my tuple. And we have to just enter our data in the parentheses. I'm talking about tuple in Python. Because in Python it is kinda easy. You have to do it in add your data in parentheses. So let's say I'm adding 1, 2, 3, and you try to notice it if I change some data in this tuple. So let's say I'm doing append. That's it. But way to run this, you will see it is throwing an error, attribute error. Tuple has no attribute called append. It is immutable. If we do like we are changing the value of data at index 4. So what will happen? Let's see. It is throwing an error. Again, tuple object does not support item assignment. So I hope it is clear to you. It is an easy one. So what I'll do, I'll I'll just tell you. It is working with tuples. It is kind of like lists. You work with list or arrays. So for like you wanna have the element at certain index. So you can just use like my and if you want let's say item at second index, you just have to do that. So, index item at second index it is 3, so it is printing out 3. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Tuples it is very easy topic, very important topic, and yeah, it is kind of confusing also because people just confuse it with arrays and other data types. So I hope it is clear to you guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section, and you can also rewind the video. You can take another look at it because it is very important topic. And till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.